Today I'm doing a very special bottle. It's Howler Head For Heroes, and I'm actually doing it for heroes. So this bottle is going to be donated to the music festival I'm playing this Saturday, November 8th at the American Legion in Middleburg. And I'll post the flyer up above. And I just wanted to make a lamp for them so they could auction it off. I just wanted to show you live from the Hunny Hive doing artwork in front of the van. And I'm gonna drill this first and make a nice lamp out of it so they can auction it off and hopefully get some money for the foundation. This lamp, when I'm finished, will be available to purchase. Oh, it's got a little bit of whiskey left in it. Oh yeah, banana bourbon. That is good. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. Alrighty. That was pretty easy. Got my hole. I'm gonna go clean it up. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I had a nice neighbor come and talk to me for about 40 minutes. So I got the sanding done while I was talking. You just want to sand down your base like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stain this with the last little bit of my espresso. Alrighty. There's some little cheapo brushes that seem to work great. I usually do the bottom first, but whatever. Don't really matter. Go ahead and do that. Stain this up real nice, and I'll come back to it and wipe it down, and my bottle should be ready, dry, and I'll get my donor lamp and get the wires out of that and wire this up, and it should be good to go pretty quick. Just in time for the auction Saturday. Happy little trees. All right, that's that, and I will come back in about 10 minutes and wipe that off. This is set up long enough. I'm gonna get all this off. Nice. Go ahead and wire this bad boy up. So I drilled a hole in this so I can put that piece through there, and I'll glue it to make it extra secure. Little E6000. Don't let your dentist see you do that. Just put some of this on the thread. Just takes a little bit. Really doesn't need to be held. That it's just like using Loctite or something. It's a little bit slanted. There, that'll look good. Because I'm gonna put a tall Edison bulb. Screw in the Edison bulb. Test her out. There she is. Now I'm gonna glue this base, clean it up, all the sticky stuff off, and it'll be ready to go. Up for auction. Hopefully it'll bring some money for the vets. Hey y'all, we're live from the Hunny Bee Hive. Getting excited about this festival this weekend. I wanted to give you the details. I just built the lamp that you saw in the video, and it'll be there for auction. So anybody wants to purchase this beauty right here. Howler Head For Heroes. This is a amazing banana whiskey. It's really good. It's Dana White's company, as I said before. But anyway, this lamp will be there for auction at the event, and it's signed by yours truly. Put that right there. Make sure I don't break it. It's Rock the Brave Charity Music Festival, November 8th, 2025. Rocking the stage, supporting the brave.